Welcome to the Field Archer Video Productions and to Phase 2 of building the ultimate hunting truck. If you missed Phase 1, we started with Rough Country's trifold bed cover to protect gear from weather and keep it out of sight. To protect our carpet from muddy hunting boots and spills, we added Rough Country's heavy-duty floor mats. And to help with our hunting buddies getting into the truck, we added Rough Country's DS2 drop steps. And now for Phase 2. Back in the late 80s, I installed a Rough Country lift in my 1980 CJ5. Years after I had the CJ5, I bought a 1990 Wrangler, and because the lift performed so well on my CJ5, I went for the Rough Country lift for my Wrangler, and in 2009, my 1990 YJ aired on Spike TV's Extreme 4x4.
Let's check out this cheap Wrangler video from my power block. He added a 4-inch Rough Country lift, 2 inches of body lift, and 35-inch Coopers.
In 2017, we used the Rough Country lift on a 2013 Tacoma regular cab, and after more than a year of off-road and on-road use, we knew exactly what suspension lift we were going to use in the ultimate hunting truck build. The Rough Country 6-inch lift with Rough Country's N2.0 front struts. We headed over to our local Rough Country dealer, Drivers FX Automotive in White House Station, New Jersey, for the install. The install took a little more time than when we had it done on the regular cab, because this was the first time Drivers FX Automotive installed this kit on a Tacoma. But it was well worth the wait. The Rough Country 6-inch lift with the N2.0 struts rides incredibly smooth on the highway with almost no noise and vibrations, even at 65 miles per hour, as seen here with our water cup test. The smooth and quiet ride is also provided by the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, wrapped around Icons Alpha wheels. These wheels improve all-around handling and ride quality while providing strength for off-road use. And if the 6-inch lift is a little higher than you would like to go, be sure to check out Rough Country's full line of lift kits and accessories for your Jeep, SUV, or truck at roughcountry.com. And for a reduced unsprung weight wheel that improves performance and is strong enough for on and off-road use, check out Icon alloy wheels at iconvehicledynamics.com.